Next, I'm going to be using this concealer. It's the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline in the color Nude. I'm going to be applying this on my dark circles and blending it out, as well as using this as a base for my eyelids before I apply any eyeshadows. And then I'm going to be setting everything again with my Artistry loose powder. To mattify and set the rest of my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder in the color Sandstorm. Before I jump to my eye makeup, I wanted to dust just a tiny amount of loose powder under my eyes in case there's any fallouts. It's easier to dust it off later. First, I'm going to coat the entire waterline with a black eye pencil from Neutrogena. You can also apply kajal, or you can also apply a gel liner in black if you like. And now comes the most exciting part of this tutorial, this palette. It's called Boss Bitch, again sent by HipDot. I get a ton of products in PR, but this, my friends, is so pigmented and it's cruelty-free, talc-free, it's vegan. And I haven't seen anything so pigmented in my life. I know that's a very strong statement to say, but you've seen me use just a few products here and there over and over again because I absolutely love them. I will not recommend anything to you if I don't like it and I don't use it over and over again. And this is one such palette that you will see me use over and over again. And this was $40. It's on sale for $24. And if you need a further discount, I have a discount code, which is SmithaD with S and D in caps. I've listed all this information in the description box below as well. First, I'm taking the color Believe. I'm going to be using it in the outer corner, inner corner, and joining it through the crease. And I'm also going to be smoking this out in the lower lash line, just softening everything up. With a smaller blending brush, I'm taking the color Winning, which is a darker brown color. And with this, I'm going to intensify the outer and inner corners. Next, with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges just so there's no harsh lines left. If you look at Kylie's eye makeup, it's an intense emerald green with gold, and because of lighting it looks different from different angles in terms of color and shine and everything. Whenever you want to convert any color to more intense, you need a darker base, and for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Studio Gel Liner in black as my base, and I will go all the way up to my crease. To set this base, I'm going to be using the color Boss, which is a beautiful emerald green color, and I'm going to be applying it with a flat shader brush. Now, because I need a green with gold in it, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Single Eyeshadow in Golden Emerald. And if you look at the eyeshadow, it's a beautiful green and it has little specks of gold particles in it. I'm going to be applying this directly with my finger. And now that you have a combination of the black, green and gold, your lids are going to shine differently with different kinds of lighting. With daylight, it's going to be different. With harsh light, it's going to be different. With flash, it's going to be different. Sometimes the gold shows more, sometimes the green shows more. Next, using the color Boss again, I'm going to be lining my lower lash line. And on top of that, using a definer brush, I'm going to be using the Golden Emerald color from L'Oreal. Next, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder under my eyes, and then I'm going to be curling my lashes and applying mascara. The one that I'm using today is the Lash-O-Matic mascara from Wet n Wild. For lashes, I'm using the 204s from Ardell, and if you want to know my way of applying lashes, which is quite different from others and it works every time for everyone, I'm going to link that video right on top. To conceal the lash band, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. For a light contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette. I'm going to be using this in the hollows of my cheekbones, under my jawline, as well as to contour my nose. Using the So Hollywood Illuminator from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to highlight the highest planes of my face, as well as my brow bones and inner corners. On her lip, she either had a lip stain that was glossy or a lip gloss itself, and I'm going to be applying a lip gloss as well. This one's from Wet n Wild and called Cherish. And here's the final look. I hope you liked the way this came together. If you did, comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I wanted to give a shout out to a couple of my subscribers, Batul Vania as well as Tracy, makeup artist from Goa. If you want a shout out, don't forget to comment below and let me know. I will see you on Thursday. I'm also doing a giveaway on Thursday, so I will see you then with a brand new video. Bye guys.